How to add admin on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, under your profile name, there you can see the pages that you have created. So simply select the page where you want to add the admin to. And now here, once you are inside the page, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down, and there under the audience and visibility, you simply have to tap on page setup. And now here inside the page setup, you simply have to tap on the page access, and here under the people with Facebook access section, you simply have to tap on add new beside it. And there you'll see a brief explanation about what explain means. So here you simply have to tap on next at the bottom, and after that in the search bar you simply have to type in the username or the name of that person. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on it, and here you can simply see the option that says allow this person to also have full control. So if you toggle on that option, you'll give the full access to that person. So here you can turn this on if you want them to become a page admin with full control. And here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on give access. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter your profile password and confirm it, and once you do that, your friends will appear on the page access list. But keep in mind that the admin invitation expires in 31 days. So make sure that they accept it before that. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.